Hey guys, these are some examples to go with the notes for A.2G, A.2E, and A.2F, parallel and perpendicular lines. The most important thing is parallel lines will have the same slope. So we can know, if you know that, you're going to be able to find the answer. Perpendicular lines have the opposite reciprocal of each other, and we'll go into that with these examples. Here we go. Okay, it says, which one of the following lines goes through the point 0, 4 and is parallel to y equals 5x minus 3? Well, we know parallel lines have the same slope, and we know our slope is 5x. Our slope is 5. So, based on this, we can remove that one, that one. We have a 5 here, and we have a 5 here. We just need to see which one goes through this point. We can do a lot of math and compare and look at all that, or we can just use our calculator. And we're going to put that equation in our calculator. And we're going to hit y equals, I'm going to put in 5x minus 3. And I'm going to hit second table. And now I'm going to find out, oh wait, I'm sorry, that, of course that works. That's the equation there. We need to put the equation in of our answers. So y equals, and we have 5x. We're going to just check both of them. So 5x plus 4. And we're going to hit second table. And now we're just looking for, on here, we're looking to see if x is 0 and y is 4. And we can see right here that it is. Just to double check, I'm going to hit y equals, and we have 5x, and I'm going to put in minus 7. Second table, and see when x is 0, y is negative 7. So that doesn't work. This is the only one. We would have known that anyway because the y-intercept is 4. And when x is 0, y is 4. I mean, it can't get any easier. Let's look at another one. This one is perpendicular, and therefore that means it is the opposite reciprocal. So that means we have a negative 1/3 x. Well, now we're going to have a positive 3x. Okay, so we're looking for the equation with a positive 3x. And I see one here and here. So we can eliminate these two. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to hit my calculator. I'm going to hit y equals. And I'm going to put each equation in there and check see if the point is on the table. So we have 3x plus 22. We're going to hit second table. And I'm looking to see when x is 6 is y 40. And it is not for that one. So let's hit y equals, y equals, and we're going to tab over, and we're going to put minus 14. Second table, and when x is 6, y is 4, and that one works. It's right there. So our answer is this one. Let's look at another one. Write an equation that is parallel to this line. So parallel means they have the same slope. So we have one here and here. We can mark these two off. We're going to hit the calculator. We're going to hit y equals, and we're going to put in x minus 3. So x minus 3. And delete the rest. And we're going to hit second table. And when x is 1 is y negative 2. It sure is. So that's your equation. Let's look at the next one. Perpendicular means it's the opposite reciprocal. So we have 2x, so it will become a 1/2, negative 1/2. And we only have one that has that. So that's our answer. The other ones do not work. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have parallel, so we know our slope is the same. We have one here and here. We just need to see which one works. Pull up the calculator, and we're going to hit y equals, and we're going to hit negative 6x plus 2. We're going to hit second table, and 1 and 7. That didn't work, so we know it's the other one. Let's check it. Negative 6 plus 15. Whoops. We're going to hit second table, and we can see that when x is 1, y is not 7. Oh, because this one could be it as well. Here we go. So y equals, and let's put in 13. We're going to hit second table, and I can see then when x is 1, y is 7. So we know it's this one. Let's look at another one. This one is perpendicular, so our slope will be negative 8/5. And we have quite a few of those, so let's try. That one can't be it. Calculator. Oops. There we go. So we're going to hit y equals. We're going to do negative 8 divided by 5 x plus 4. We're going to hit second table, and we're looking for 5 and negative 4. And it happens to be this one, so for time's sake, we're going to keep going. Okay, almost done. Now this one, we are talking about the undefined slope. And we know undefined slope is when your line is vertical, when your slope is vertical. So that means it has to do with the x. And I can see that we're passing through negative 4 on here. So therefore, since the slope is undefined, the equation is going to be x equals negative 4, because x will always equal negative 4. Let's look at one more, I think. Yes, and it is find the equation of a line passing through the point 2 and negative 3 that has a 0 slope. So our 0 slope is horizontal. Let me draw it better, because I want to redraw it because we know it's going to be passing through negative 3, because that is our y. So therefore, our equation is y equals negative 3. That's it. Yep, that's it, guys, for the examples for all these teaks. I know you're going to do great. Your assignment's on the next page. Thank you for watching.